What is that? Can be an airplane.
You
The airplane.
Well, there's some foil, bro. Wrap around your head so you don't have radiation.
I wonder if you can hear from here.
Okay, I can hear that.
I mean, from my phone.
If we can hear it, your phone can hear it.
Anyway, you want to translate it.
Translate it.
A bird, like, get it to a sonic sound or revert and see what happens when it comes out.
So, are you saying aliens are interdimensional beings or no?
Interdimensional.